Imagine being able to chat confidently in English even if you're just starting out. That's what we're tackling today. I'm James, and joining me is Sophia.
Hey everyone! Today we're diving deep into how to make daily English conversation practice easy and fun, especially if you're a beginner.
We're going to share practical routines, tackle common beginner struggles, and give you motivational tips that you can use right away.
We'll cover how to greet, discuss daily activities, overcome shyness, and explain why thinking in English is a game changer. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do next to boost your speaking skills.
Let's kick things off with the basics greetings. People often overlook just how powerful a simple, "Hey, how are you?" can be for breaking the ice.
Totally! When I began practicing, I'd start each day by greeting myself in English. Even a "good morning" goes a long way to build comfort.
That reminds me, asking someone about their day is another easy entry point. Like, "What did you do today?" It makes conversations feel natural.
Exactly, and you can answer with simple sentences. I woke up early, or I practiced English. The more you do it, the easier it gets.
Now, talking about routines, do you practice English every single day, Sophia? I try to squeeze it in no matter how busy I am.
I do. I actually talk to myself while doing daily chores. Narrating actions like I'm making tea helps me learn new phrases.
That's a clever trick. Watching videos is useful, but speaking even alone makes a huge difference.
For sure. It's all about creating small moments to use English, even if you're just describing what you're doing around the house.
But let's be real, so many beginners feel shy or scared to make mistakes. I remember how nervous I was at first.
I get that. The fear of saying something wrong can really hold you back. What helped you move past that, James?
Honestly, I just started speaking more and stopped worrying about errors. The more I practiced, the less anxious I felt.
That's key. Mistakes are part of learning. Every error is a step forward, so don't let them stop you from speaking.
Something that helped me a ton was learning to think in English. Instead of translating, I tried to form thoughts directly in English.
I love that tip. For example, instead of thinking main chai bana raha hoon, you just say I'm making tea. It feels more natural over time.
Right, and it speeds up your responses. You start using phrases and words automatically, which is exactly what you need for fluency.
If you catch yourself translating, pause and challenge yourself to rephrase in English. It can be tough at first, but it's worth it.
So, for anyone listening who feels stuck, what would you say, Sophia? How can they get motivated and start speaking?
I'd say don't wait for perfection. Just begin, even with simple words or phrases. Consistency beats perfection every time.
That's spot on. Small efforts every day add up to big progress. If you practice for 5 minutes daily, you'll be amazed after a month.
And remember, confidence grows with action. The more you speak, the easier it gets. So make English a part of your daily life.
Let's wrap up. First, starting with greetings is a fantastic confidence booster. Second, daily routines make English practice effortless. Third, thinking in English is the shortcut to fluency.
Absolutely. And if you're a beginner, try narrating your day in English, even if it's just to yourself. That's one action step you can take right now.
We hope these tips help you feel more confident and motivated. If you enjoyed the episode, subscribe and share it with friends.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and remember every small effort counts. Catch you next time. Bye, everyone.